In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on your Rocket Money account. We all know that keeping your contact information up to date is crucial. Maybe you've switched phone numbers recently, or you want to make sure you can still receive notifications and updates without a hitch. Whatever your reason, I'm here to guide you through the process of updating your phone number in just a few simple steps. To begin with, you'll want to head over to the Rocket Money website. You'll find it by simply entering Rocket Money in your search engine, or you can directly type the URL into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing you want to do is locate the Sign In button. It's typically positioned clearly at the upper part of the homepage for easy access, inviting you to input your login details. Once you've clicked on Sign In, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your Rocket Money account. Now that you've logged in successfully, you should find yourself on the main dashboard of your account. This dashboard is your gateway to all account management options, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout if this isn't something you look at daily. Moving along, the next step is to navigate to Settings. You would usually find the Settings option as a drop-down in the navigation bar or as part of a sidebar menu. It's typically depicted with a gear icon, which should be easy to spot. Clicking on this will open up further personal settings that you can adjust. Now that you are in the Settings menu, it's time to access your profile. Here, you'll see a section where all your personal information is housed. This section allows you to update various personal details, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we're specifically focusing on your phone number. Once you're in your profile section, the next option to look for is Change Phone Number. This is where you'll start the process of updating your contact information. Click on this option and you'll be prompted to enter your new phone number. Go ahead and type in your new phone number. Double check to ensure you've entered it correctly. Accuracy is key here, as this is the number Rocket Money will use to contact you regarding account updates, important notifications, and more. Finally, after you've keyed in your new phone number, confirm your changes by clicking on Change My Phone Number. This action will save your new number to the system. And that's it. You've successfully updated your phone number on Rocket Money. Remember, keeping your contact information current helps you stay informed and in control of your financial management through the platform. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our tutorials or reach out for support.